Welcome today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to take series of the pictures on this device. So first we should go into the camera application, and now just here to take a picture you should click here only once on the shutter button here, and you can see that we got only one picture here. And if you want to take a series of the pictures, you should just by the same way, not just to click but to hold this shutter button, and you can see that we can in just one time take 20, maximum 20 pictures. And now we'll find these pictures here in our photo gallery. Here you can see that here we got the 20 photos. Just click here and you can select one or couple of photos from here just by select the photo here by click to this checkbox. And for example, we can select and save these 5 photos, or we can also delete them. So by click here we can take this save these photos, so click here to OK. And this the 25 photos, oh sorry, not 25, just 5 photos, they just was deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.